Hey, what's going on here as we check out our Storm Team 5 weather alert. We called this weather alert from 1 p.m. until 7 p.m. It's something we discussed a little bit this morning. If you watched our early shows this morning today on 5, we're looking at the potential for numerous showers and thunderstorms to move across the area this afternoon, moving from west to east. A few of those storms could be strong to severe. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a marginal risk, our entire area in a marginal risk for severe weather today. The biggest threats: lightning and gusty winds. Some of the lowest threats, any tornadic activity or hail. There's also a chance we could see some temporary flooding. We're built pretty well for drainage down here, but sometimes you can get, if you get heavy enough rain for a long enough period of time, you can get some temporary flooding. Here's a quick look at what's happening, and I want you to focus a little bit on how high these cloud tops are. These are some big thunderstorms that are rolling across the state right now. They've been pushing from west to east throughout the morning hours, and now they're starting to progress into our area a bit. It's a long line of showers and storms. It pretty much extends the length of our viewing area. So once it moves into our area, we're going to have pretty good coverage for rainfall. But I've been telling you also that I want you to focus a little bit on what's going on ahead of that line, because even though we have a big line of storms here, there's a bunch of energy that gets pushed out ahead of a line like this, and that can stir up showers and thunderstorms well ahead of the main line of storms. And we're starting to see some showers popping up now around Lakewood Park and Vero Beach. There's a little shower just popped up around Buckhead Ridge. So we can start to see more and more activity even before this line makes it through our area. Vero Beach, that line should be there about 221. Sebastian 150 as you head down south. Belle Glade 130, but the acreage about 246. West Palm around 323. Boca, I would say probably around 2:33 o'clock as well. And here's a quick look at Vipercast, and you'll see it progresses pretty quickly over to the coast. But then there's still some showers and thunderstorms around even during rush hour, and then it starts to fizzle out a bit as we get into the evening hours, which is why we have the weather alert from 1 p.m. until 7 p.m. Now that chance for rain is about 80%. As we make our way through the afternoon, it drops down to 50% tomorrow, and then a pattern change knocks the rain chances down to about 40% on Saturday and 30% on Sunday. And on these 2 days, and for most of next week, we'll be seeing morning rainfall coming in along the coast and afternoon rainfall inland and over to the west coast of Florida.